So this is part 2 of section 8, and we are evaluating the functions here. So our functions are f of x equals 3x plus 2 and g of x equals negative x. So question 31 asks, what is f of 4? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at function f, which is f of x equals 3x plus 2, and anywhere I see an x, I'm just going to replace it with a 4. So f of 4 equals 3 times 4, I'm replacing that x, plus 2. F of 4 equals 12. We're going to do order of operations. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2. F of 4 equals 14. That's your final answer for that one. Then we have number 33. 32 will be on a separate video that is uploaded. 33 reads g of negative 1 plus 4. So we're going to start by just finding g of negative 1. We'll find that answer, and then we'll add 4 to it. So g of x equals negative x. So if I have g of negative 1, up here, it's asking the opposite of x. So I'm going to also say the opposite of negative 1, which is 1. I have that answer. I'm just going to add 1 plus 4 to get a final answer of 5. And then the same thing over here on 33.2 or 34, because of my typo, we are going to find f of 1, find that answer, and then we're going to add g of 2. So let's start with f of 1. F of 1 equals 3 times 1 plus 2. We're just replacing that. Then we're going to work through the order of operations. I got to multiply first. So f of 1 equals 3 plus 2. F of 1 equals 5. And then I'm going to find g of 2. So g of 2 equals negative x or negative 2 because g of x equals negative x. So g of 2 equals negative 2 because we're replacing that x. So I have 5 plus negative 2 to leave me with 3.